Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you want to lounge at the pool?
These cushions are so relaxing. Me and my husband love to sit by the pool and just relax and talk and catch up, and these cushions really make it comfortable. You can really just sit and chill, take a nap. These colors are so vibrant. The flowers are so big and nicely put together. The fabric is nice and soft, cushiony, perfect for just looking out at the pool, maxing and relaxing. It's also really thick and flexible. Super great product.
So if you have some chairs that need cushions, that need a little pop to your pool area or your yard, your backyard, your front yard, whatever you can imagine, I would highly recommend these comfy lounge chair cushions. I love them and I just love sitting by the pool, so I will be here for a while, and that's my point of view.